Do you know what time it is? I know what time it is. Do you know what time it is? Are you sure? Do you have the time right there? What time is it right now? You tell me. I know what time it is. It's silver and gold time, baby. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Man, I love that intro. Alrighty, guys. So what's going on with silver and gold? Oh, before I forget, I'm giving away a free trading course. You need help. You need help with the foundations of what goes into a good trader. You need some help reading the charts, trading systems, mindset, stuff like that. Link in description. Go get it. It's free trading course. There we go. Now moving forward, gold. What is going on with gold? Gold had a little bit of a sell-off today, a little bit of a pullback today. So what's going on with gold right now, and what's happening here with the gold and silver? Now, it's really interesting to see that what's going on with gold right now on a short-term basis. Okay, so if we look at this here, we are still making a bit of a downward slight trend on this here. Now, bear in mind, just listen to me. For you guys to get your knickers in or not. So, John, you've been bullish this whole time. I am bullish overall, guys, and I still am bullish. But that doesn't mean the market can't go down for the next few days, all right? So just don't get your knickers in or not. It's all right. Be patient, right? If you're not patient, then get out of the markets because the market will chew you up and spit you out. Now, what's happening here is with this. This is a bit of a do or die situation. Do or die when it comes to gold and silver. And what I mean by that is this. If I bring up my trend lines, you can see what's happened through here. And I said in yesterday's video, I need confirmation to break back above these levels here for us to start to really get the confirmation that we are likely to then now start a very nice move to the upside. So what I said is that because we're still making these lower highs, this whole thing here, if I take it off the screen, this whole thing here, this whole move could be just move down a lower high, and before we start to see that again. That could be a possibility when it comes to gold. Okay. So we need to keep an eye for that. So it's a bit of a do or die situation right now for gold. And the reason why is because if we cannot get back above, if we cannot break above these major resistance levels that we've got through here, as you can see, these two levels, this right here, this side of resistance level here, which is a breakup. We have the 1860 resistance level, and now we're getting a bit of a reversal here. What we need to see is this gold hold and break back up and break back above 1880 and possibly even above 1900. And that would tell me that yes, this was a bit of a V bottom move. This is the bottom for many months and possibly years to come. And then now we're likely to start to see something like that. Likely, guys, right? There's no guarantees. Don't look for guarantees. There's no such thing. So by looking at that, and by looking at gold right now, and by looking at what's happening here with gold, that's what we're looking for. But remember, guys, we are still in a very big overall, massive bull market. So we could just continue going sideways or continue this pullback, until we get back to maybe 1700. Like, we can do that, and it's still being a big bull market. Most people are getting really, really, really frustrated with what's happening right now in gold, and they're not understanding that this is just a nice, healthy pullback. You want to see this, all right? For people that are in gold right now, you want to see this. You want to see a nice, healthy pullback, what's happening right now, and you want to see it take time for it to do that because it's refueling. Whenever the market is doing this, it's refueling, it's re-energizing, and it's getting ready to go for another run. So if you look back over here, you can see that here was a 3 to 4 month sideways. Remember, these are weekly bars now. 3 to 4 month sideways phase, and then we broke out. We had a 3 to 4 month sideways phase, and then we broke out. So these periods here are essential to a nice, healthy bull market. So what's happening right now on gold is just that. It's absolutely just perfectly fine. So guys, please be patient with gold. And if you're investing, then you shouldn't even worry about what's happening right now. You shouldn't care what happens over the next 12 months. All you do know is that what's happening over the next 4 or 5 years. So that's what I'm seeing through there on long term, guys. Long term, I'm bullish. Short term, It's do or die time. Do we hold and then start to rally back above here? That's going to be the really interesting thing to see when it comes to gold. Now, moving over to silver, and silver's still holding quite strong. We're in this bit of a still triangle pattern. We did come down to support through here. We came down to support. We've rallied back up, and now we just had a little bit of a rejection point where we are right now on silver. So again, it's a bit of a do or die situation, because if we can start to break up and above that $25 level on silver, that would then give me confirmation that we're now likely to start to make at least a move back up towards the high up here when it comes to silver, right? This high up here on that there, and then we'll probably see a nice rise in the other markets as well too. But you can see this big pullback. But just remember, guys, this weekly chart, once again, remember, it's always important to understand how these markets work and looking at these. And when we're looking at the weekly chart, we're seeing the forest from the trees. And if the market's doing this big move up and then we have a nice sort of pullback like that, there's a high probability we're now likely to see something like that real soon out of the weekly chart. Oh, John, when's that going to happen? I don't know. If I give you exact date, let's actually see. I'm rubbing my crystal ball right now. Rubbing it. Ooh, crystal ball, tell me, crystal ball, what date will silver break out? John, you don't need to worry about that. Just know it's coming soon. Be patient. Okay then, cool. I've got to listen to the genie, right? So the genie's always right. So there you go, guys. So there you go, right? So the genie's out of the bottle. The genie's actually spoken, and she said, as exactly what she said. It's coming soon. Just be patient. Which is she's just saying, listen, it's coming soon. So patience is a virtue right now. We never know what's going to happen, guys. The fact of the matter is that when it does start, it's probably going to be big, right? When we do start to break up and out again, we're probably likely to make very big moves in silver and in gold when we do that. So do or die situation right now. Are we about to break up and out in silver through here and start to make another nice move up? Because if we do break out of this triangle pattern on silver, oh, it's on like Donkey Kong. It's on like, and same with gold as well too. Gold is like hitting this resistance point. We did come down, bit of a V bottom action, but we need to see gold get back above. We need to see gold back above 1900. We get gold back above 1900, which is this previous resistance here. Then I am really, really confident that we could call this here the V bottom, and we can call this the bottom for many months to come. And then we should slowly make our way back up towards the 2,100 mark. Now, my ultimate target, guys, my ultimate long-term target is indeed right here. My ultimate long-term target is up here at 3,000. So I have a 3,000 target, and I didn't just pluck that out of my sort of rear end. I didn't just pluck it out there. I did some analysis based on this long-term charts and some projection, and so I have a 3,000 target. 3,000 target on the gold chart when that happens. So once we start to break above 2,100, if we can start to continue up from there, then I see a lot more upside to come when it comes to the gold market. So get ready for that, guys, because I do believe right now there's a bit of a calming effect, but I believe the next few years is going to be really, really interesting and bit of a storm effect just around the corner, I believe. So there we go, guys. There's gold and silver. Do or die time. Do we break or dump? Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.